Thank you so much for being here. Welcome. My name is Nikki if you are new, and I greatly appreciate you being here. If you enjoy unboxings, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. We definitely do all kinds of unboxings here, from snacks to beauty and lifestyle and home decor and candles and pets. All of it. So we got you covered. So if you enjoy that, like I said, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And guys, don't forget to please give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. Also, remember, we do have 2 active giveaways right now. We have our holiday appreciation giveaway as well as the thrift bag holiday giveaway. They will both be linked down below. So you can see we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is Small Town Table. Now, Small Town Table is not cut and dry. They have quite a few different things that they do, and I'm going to go over that and fill you in. I will put a link to their website down below, so you can definitely check it out for yourself if you would like to. Now, what I have is their gluten-free snack box. Right? Yum. Gluten-free. Yum. And the thing is, they have so much more. They have gift sets and care packages and a smile in every box. Now, they have spa gift sets. They have a birthday bash in a box. They have a keto book package. And they have a 100 snack, like an office care package. And y'all, they have a lot. Now with like the gluten-free snack box, you can prepay for, 3 or 6 months, and they, like I said, I'm going to put their website down below, but you can also follow them on Instagram, so you can kind of see some, different things that they do. They have these other boxes that are kind of local to where they are at, which I think is amazing. And now, prices vary from the spa box to snack boxes to, the birthday bash. So it just depends on what you go with as far as what your price will be. And then also, if you do 3 months or 6 months, that kind of thing. So all of that will be on the website, and the link will be down below. So let's get in here and see what their gluten-free snack box is going to be. Now, I have a feeling that this is going to be a box where Christopher may, depending on what's in here, enjoy some of these snacks. My husband's a little funny, to be honest. If he thinks it's healthy, he's like, no. But I'm definitely curious to see what they put in here. And so let's just dive in. So get my knife and open it up. All right. So oh, I already see some stuff I'm gonna like. So this is what you see when you open it. All right. So first thing, we have a little magnet. I think it's a little smiley magnet. Did say a smile in every box. So let's see. Yeah, office snack subscriptions, corporate and hospitality gifts, local gift box collections, specialty snack boxes, gluten-free, healthy, keto, and more. Like I said, I know they have spa gift sets, the birthday bash in a box, so they have a lot. So there is that. Now I know why there's a smile in every box. All right. So first thing here we have are the pop chips in barbecue. Y'all, these are actually really good. They're, I guess, they're like chips from popcorn, but they're so good. And Christopher, everything I'm seeing so far anyway, I think Christopher would also like. Then we have some Skinny Pop. This is a white cheddar. Yum. And then we have another bag here of Skinny Pop, and this is in sweet and salty kettle. I'm gonna love that one. I love like kettle corn. We have another bag of the pop chips and sea salt. And let's see. Oh, ooh, I love this. So does Christopher. I'm glad there's 2. We have the Pirate's Booty. Ooh, The aged white cheddar. Yum. I love this so much. Christopher will definitely take these. The Snyder, these again, gluten-free, 100-calorie pack pretzel sticks. Oh, I love these. We have some veggie straws, the sea salt. I love those. I love the sea salt. I like the ranch. I like the cheddar. I just love the veggie straws. I think they're so good. We have another pack of the pretzels. I'm curious to see if there's going to be some stuff in here that I don't recognize, because I don't typically do just a gluten-free. And I'm looking now, I'm starting to see that there may be some stuff in here that I haven't seen before, but that's okay. Oh, I love this. Now I've actually, oh, I love this so much. I have seen this in like a longer skinny bag. But this is a sweet and salty mix, Cars. So it's got like peanuts and sunflower seeds and raisins and then like little chocolate candies. Oh, it is so good. So yummy. And we have from Blue Diamond, mini nut thins. These are wheat and gluten-free. Almond and rice cracker snacks with a hint of sea salt. Never seen this before, but I bet they're yummy. Then we have some freeze-dried strawberry and banana pieces. I think I've had something like this before, and it's so good. And this is only 40 calories for this whole little bag. Oh, yes, please and thank you. These are my favorite. I have 2 packs of pistachios. I love pistachios so much. And then, okay, now I got one of these in a subscription box, and I had never tried it before, but it was so good. This is, it's Bubba's Fine Food grain-free snack mix, and it's actually like, it's like banana chips, but it's savory, and it looks like this also has cashews and pecans. So that is going to be yummy. Oh, we have another mix from Cars. This is peanuts, banana chips, raisins, sunflower kernels, dates, mango, and almonds. All energy mix. All right, and then we have Enjoy Life soft baked mini cookies chocolate chip. All right, and now we are getting down to like some bars. Well, not quite yet. Here we have some dry roasted edamame and spicy wasabi. And we also have it in sea salt. This is such a good variety. Like, not only of the types of snacks, but flavors, textures. This is just, you've got sweet, you've got salty, you've got savory, you've got nuts, you've got pretzels, you've got banana chips, you've got popcorn. It's just such an amazing variety. And then we have a dark chocolate chunk kind bar. Yum. We have a peanut butter and dark chocolate kind bar. This is the kind Simple Crunch peanut butter. And then the kind Simple Crunch oats and honey. I love these. This is a Lara bar. This is the chocolate chip cookie dough. And then the Lara bar cinnamon roll. And then we have some fruit leather stretch island. I have not seen this before, but we have a cherry and raspberry. And then Epic Performance Bar. I haven't seen this either. Peanut butter chocolate. This says it has dates, peanuts, cage-free egg whites, chocolate, peanut oil, and sea salt. That sounds good. And then it looks like we have 2 more items, and they are both the RX bar. This is the chocolate sea salt. And then the last one is the chocolate chip. So yeah, this definitely is an amazing variety. And I really like that I know there are snacks in here that Christopher will enjoy. There are snacks that I will enjoy. Like I said, my husband might eat the pretzels. But Christopher and I can definitely handle the other. I love the Kind bars and the Lar bars and the RX bars and stuff. Those are great for, you know, a cup of coffee and have one of those and you're good for the morning. And then, you know, you've got these other yummy treats for different times of the day that you don't have to feel bad about. So, but that is the Small Town Table Gluten Free Snack Box. Like I said, I will put a link to their website down below. So let me know your thoughts. You know, if you have a gluten allergy, this may be something great for you. Or if you just choose to, you know, go gluten free, then here's an option to have a snack subscription. And again, it's a great variety. So I hope you guys, again, enjoyed the video. Let me know down below. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.